Hi, my name is Mikael de Costa. I'm the head of product and founder for Leadoo Marketing Technologies. Now I will give you a presentation on Leadoo Company identification and prospector. One of the powering forces when we started building company identification was that we actually knew that a lot of companies were using company identification as a tool to help their salespeople to prospect. But the problem as we were using that ourselves was that we actually had no idea what this company was interested in, and we felt that there was a huge amount of information missing. As Leadoo is in average able to interact with roughly 10 to 30% of the website visitors, we understood that we are capturing a lot of valuable data. And combining that data with company identification would make the company identification, which I feel personally that alone is even a bit useless, can be turned into something pretty valuable. So how the company identification in Leadoo's case works is that every single time that someone comes to the website, Leadoo captures the IP address and aims to recognize which company it is. On top of that, as the companies surf through the website, we are able to attach the conversations happening on the website to that company. And by combining those two, we get a lot of valuable detail on what the company is looking for, and then we are able to provide the salespeople with it. And how does it basically work in Leadoo's case? As we open the company identification, we have an overall view on how many companies there are, how many we've identified, how many of them have came again, and how many of them have actually been converted. We are also able to see from which kind of industries they are we attracting the right type of industries to our website, and which type of companies in terms of revenue are we pulling in. We can filter the company with a huge variety of filters as well. We can look at companies that are from a specific country, from a specific industry, from a specific headcount revenue size. Have they discussed with the specific bot? Have they visited specific pages? Do they have a certain number of events happening there? Have they discussed with the live chat? Do they have some labels? Are we able to see some decision maker data when they visited the company last time and when they were the first seen? If I select, for example, from here that I want to look at companies that are, for example, from Finland, I can just apply the filter, run it, and I can save this filter for future use as well, which makes it easy for them to use in the future. Now in this case in Finland we've identified 300 companies, and we can for example look at our own company where we are able to fetch all the general information about the company, who are the decision makers of this company, how many visitors from this company we have, first time that they visited, last time that they visited, all the different type of marketing sources as well, and then combine that with all the pages that have been visited. Now, why is it interesting to have the prospector data as well? Like most companies, once we identify which companies are there, then the salespeople need to manually start looking. Who should I call from this company? In Leadoo's case, with the integrations, we are able to identify the company, identify the decision makers, and integrate it to your CRM. So we automatically create new prospects on your CRM for your salespeople to reach out. Maybe your marketing team can use it as well. And the marketing team can basically feed these people into a marketing automation and keep these people on the loop on what your company offers.